And we're back. Let's hope this one. Okay. Let's hope this one isn't a fail like all the other times. Launch 1, take 4. Yeah, take 4.
Oh,
4 already?
yes.
Oh
Yeah,
my goodness.
4.
Oh, you should have seen the other one. So,
right.
woo! That was it.
We're gonna have to bleep that.
That almost worked.
We're gonna have to bleep that.
That was a premature launch, folks.
Did I say something?
Yes. You said the S word. We're gonna have to bleep that.
Oh, well, we could just not bleep it when we do the behind the scenes.
Just cut that out.
Okay, you just gotta be faster with the cork.
Should we try one more time? We're close.
One
Who's
more.
faster?
Hold on.
I'll get like really far
Okay.
back, that way I can see.
Here's Grandma and Zadie putting the stuff in. We're getting a little action in the bottle. She's getting it. Okay, be quick. Push that sucker down. Here it is. Throw! We did it! Woo!
Hold this for a second. Oh my god.
Orville and Wilbur.
Oh, it looks like someone,
I didn't even get to see it.
it looks like someone was
It went
vaporized.
boo!
Oh, how high did it go?
I went twice your
We did it.
How do you feel about that?